Hi everyone, my name is Juan David Silva, and today I want to teach you the importance of phonology, phonetics, and pronunciation. Let's start with a short definition. What's phonetics? It's part of linguistics and it studies the human's physical sounds. It's also in charge of study sound production and precision within a language. It got some branches like articulatory phonetics, acoustics phonetics, and auditory phonetics. What's phonology? It's fundamental to understand that languages are hard and complex to learn and use. Phonology is in charge of reviewing humans' low and loud sounds. One of them is accentuation. Those patterns are very important because they can highlight meanings, expressions, and grammar rules. It's also included in linguistic sciences and it studies the way how sounds work in a specific language or the general languages. Today we are going to see the IPA symbols and some of their sounds in certain words. This is pretty much related to phonemes and how they sound when there is a combination of letters. First, let's see the IPA symbols chart. Today we have the vowels here and here the consonants. Okay, let's see some examples. Let's start with the sound crazy, crazy. I'm getting crazy with your attitude. Please stop. Conflict. There is too much conflict in Colombia right now. Can't. I can't go to the party because I must finish my homework. Okay, let's see the sound. Eh, eh. Jacket. I really like that jacket. Can I try it? Head, head. I've had a hard day. I want to cry. Back, back. Can you please take me back to the hospital? Let's see the sound I, I, behind, behind. There's a beautiful landscape behind you. Life, life. Life is much better when we love others. Society, society. Our society is facing a terrible time due to the COVID-19. Let's see the sound ah, ah, body, body. It looks like you take care of your body. Car, car. I've purchased a beautiful blue car. Policy, policy. I don't like to talk about policy. Let's see the sound guess, guess. I guess I will be visiting my mom next Friday. Good, good. That movie was very good. Sugar, sugar. I don't like this juice. It got too much sugar. That will be all for today. Thank you so much. Bye bye.